Dear JS Audio Radio listeners and viewers, important news are brought to you in audio. Alstom, lowest bidder for 100 aluminium Vande Bharat trains. Report. French railway firm Alstom has emerged as the lowest bidder for the 30,000 crore tender for manufacturing and maintenance of 100 aluminium body Vande Bharat trains. Money Control said, citing documents, it bid rupees 151 crore per train set and looking to manufacture all 100 aluminium Vande Bharat rakes. The winning bidder will get 13,000 crore upon delivery.